Iman here from Design by Iman, and today I wanted to talk to you all about outdoor furniture for 2021. All of the items will be in the description below. Also, if you don't mind smashing the like button, it really does help my channel. Let's get started. So first up, we're going to talk about lounge chairs. I have some mid-range options as well as some high-end options. First up, we have the Lewis armchair. This one's from Rove Concepts. What's great about this piece is it's very minimalistic with the square edges, and it's got a really comfortable seat and back. You can see here on the right that they've paired two of them together, and it's a really elegant piece for the outdoors. Next up, we have the Corina rattan chair from CB2. This is actually from their 2021 collection. It's really nice for kind of a more bohemian space, and it's also done with stainless steel. It does give you a different sense of style. Now, if you are looking for something high-end, RH has this beautiful chair. It's got this curved arm done with a darker rattan and then a really thick cushion. If you're also looking for a similar vibe, we have the Clifton lounge chair from Mod Loft. This one here has a really light wood at the bottom, but everything else is black, so it really is a bold piece. So depending on the style of your place, if you're looking for something lighter or darker, there's lots of options. A lot of these vendors do also offer color samples, so definitely be sure to order those first before you place your order. Next up, we have sectionals. Everyone loves sectionals, and especially for the outdoors. First up, we have the Dresden sectional. This one is from Rove Concepts. It actually has two different color options, but you can also change the coloring for the side table, which is actually attached right into the sofa. And if you're looking for something a little higher end, we can also go with the B&B Italia. This outdoor collection is from 2021 as well, and the stripes just look super spectacular and really bold. If you are looking for a mid-range three-piece sofa set, this Copelin sofa set from Article is a great choice. It lends itself to a more modern design and great for porches or smaller terraces. And if you have a higher end budget, I would definitely recommend this sophisticated three-piece option from Restoration Hardware. The white and black lends itself to a really classic design. So whether you're looking for a sectional or a sofa set, be sure to check out both mid-range and high-end options. Sometimes you can even mix them together to really create the perfect budget for you. And next up are dining tables. So we've got tables as well as chairs, both mid-range and high-range options. Let's take a look. So first we have this beautiful black and white table. It's called the Column from CB2. The base is really, really beautiful. It can be awesome for a bistro set, and it's a nice curve to break up the exterior monotony. We also have this concrete option from West Elm. This one here seats 6 people, which is really nice for a larger space. And you can see it here on the right with a rug underneath. And this one here is actually one of my favorite tables. I wanted to use this one for our own balcony, but it just wouldn't fit. This one is called the Sonali. It is from Anthropology. The base is super exquisite and it's beautiful for a bistro set. So if you're looking for more of a rectangular table, we have this beautiful statement piece from Article, and it's paired with a black chair. We also have this other piece which gives a more sophisticated vibe. This one's from B&B Italia. It really does have a bold texture and is paired with a more earth tone chair. So if you're looking for a larger dining table, you can definitely check out both options. But next up, I wanted to talk about smaller tables, which are called Bistro Sets. So first up, we have on the left a black bistro set from West Elm, and then the one on the right is done with white and wood. Both examples are simple, but very visually appealing. Next up, we have on the left B&B Italia from their 2021 catalog. And on the right, we have from Rove Concepts, which is more of a mid-range pricing, the Winston outdoor dining table. Bistro sets are awesome if you are trying to fill up a smaller space. They're great for 2 or 3 people, and you can really select between both mid-range and high-end options. So next up, we have accessories. Accessories are a great way to finish off the space. Oftentimes people will do them for the interior, but they'll forget them for the exterior. So first up, we have these Bola oil lamps. These just came out from CB2. They come in different sizes. and different colors as well. They're great for decoration, but super functional. On the right, we have these lanterns from RH. You can, again, pair them with different sizes and colors, and you can stagger them. On the left here, we have the heat sail, cantilever, infrared heater, and this one is also from RH. This one does actually bring more heat into the space, but really does look more like a sculpture. And on the right, we have the Missoni pillows. These are a higher end look, but they are awesome for both your dining table, but also your sectional seating. Once you're done with accessories, you might also want to check out planters. So planters are also a part of accessories, but they can also become functional as well, and you can fill your exterior with lots of greenery. First up, we have these awesome planters from CB2. They come in so many different sizes, and as you can see on the left here, there's so many different types of plants that you can pot. And on the right, we have an option from West Elm, both in gray and beige. Again, they come in different sizes. So whether it's a black planter or more of a natural color planter, you can find so many different types of textures, but really this is a great way to add greenery to your exterior. Next up, we have swings. So who doesn't love to sit in a swing and just relax? And it really makes yourself feel like a kid again. So first up, we have this beautiful hanging chair from CB2. This one lends itself more to a bohemian modern look, and it's made with rattan, and it really does look super cozy. On the right, we have another outdoor swing. This is from Design Lush. I love how there's so many pillows on there, and it's got a really interesting element at the top of the swing. So once you're done hanging out in the swing, you might want to get a tan, so sunbeds are great for those. Let's take a look at some options. First up, we have this awesome option from RH. Again, it comes in a variety of different fabrics and color tones. This one here is done in a white, but the one on the right is done in a black, so you can really select what you want. We also have this option, which is actually a double sunbed from West Elm. These ones are adjustable and there is no cushion. So this is good for when it rains, but maybe not quite as comfortable. And if you're looking for a little bit of luxe and a pop of fun, these ones from Missoni from their outdoor collection are quite stunning. They're not for everybody, but if you're looking for that bold pop of color, then these are definitely for you. So next up are Firepits. These are great for chilly nights. Let's take a look at some options. So with both of these, they're actually both from Dreamcast Design. The one on the left is round and it's gray, more of a cement look, whereas the one on the right is more modern with a linear look. And both options are great for your outdoor space. When it comes to Firepits, you do want to make sure that it's large enough for the space and that the BTU is high so that it actually gives off enough heat. Another thing is if you are building your exterior from scratch, ideally you would want to run a gas line so you don't have to worry about your propane tank or whatever type of gas you're using to sit next to your fire pit, so that would be ideal. But if you can do this pre-planning in advance, it's really gonna help you out. So last but not least is lighting. So even though you have all this furniture, if it's not lit up once the sun goes down, you really can't appreciate all of the effort that you've put in. So be sure to check out some awesome lighting options. So first up is this sconce option, which is great if you are looking at building something into the wall. This one is from RH. Or if you're looking for something a little bit more modern, this here is a ball from West Elm, and the entire ball lights up and you can just throw them into the grass. So whether you have a mid-range budget or a high-end budget, there are so many options to choose from. And you do want to make sure that you're adding both dining and living and lighting and fire, because when all of these pieces come together, it really does create an outdoor oasis. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to share this with a friend if they need an outdoor oasis. And if you do want to work with me, I will leave my details in the information below, and hopefully we'll see you on the next video.